cooking leftover potato casserole. Let's get started. So what we want to do is we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a teeny. Then we're going to spread it around on the sides. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. This is one of my special editions cooking videos because, well, today I'm going to my grandma's. So, and it's a big lunch. Oh, and it's Mother's Day. Now, what we're going to add is the mashed potatoes. The leftover mashed potatoes. Come in. It just plopped right out. Now, we're going to smash it. What we're trying to do is, our goal is to try to get it all the way flattened down. All the way. If y'all want to, y'all can check out my other video of how to make mashed potatoes. So, and if y'all have leftovers, y'all can make this video. Or, you can just do the recipe again. And then, y'all can just do it this way. Wow, so complicated. Whew, that's over. Now we're going to sprinkle some cheese on. Then, what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out. Okay, then we're going to add the bacon. There's another recipe that you can watch, and it's where it shows you how to make Mother's Day bacon. Let me tell you, I tried that bacon. It is delicious. Okay? Later on, we're going to put it in the oven, and then we're going to serve it and take it to my grandma's. It's been 30 minutes and we took our casserole out of the oven. It smells really good. Looks like it's almost done too. And be careful not to touch it, because it is extremely hot. It could give you a very bad burn on our fingers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on it. I can't really taste it, because it's burning and I don't want it to go right through my tongue. Bye-bye. Thank you. See my other video where I make potatoes for the meal that we made today. Bye-bye.